Let me log into the AEM. Go to Assets, Files. I'll go inside my folder. We have an edit option. So here we have an option to crop the image and save it if required. We have default crop options. We have rotate option, rotate right, flip vertical, flip horizontal, locate map. So this locate map helps us to add a map. So this is something like href, adding an href to an image. So once we provide that, we can provide a path. And target options are like open in same tab or new tab, parent frame and top frame. First option was a rectangular map. Here we have a circular map. Same options can be done in circular map too. You can see that the link is enabled now. I had added my test link here. Annotate. So Annotate gives us an option to add any additional metadata information about this image. So we have something like so we can add an annotation to specific user telling something needs to be adjusted in this image. Add to collection. Now we can select this image and add to any specific collection. As of now, the default collection is available. We can even create new collections to add this image. Move. We can move this image to any specific folder now. We can rename it in case required. Click on next and select the destination. You can just move it. Quick publish. This helps us to publish the image directly. Manage publication section helps us to deal with the publication. We can either publish or unpublish. Select the asset and tell unpublish. For publish, select it and tell publish. You have an option to add renditions and print the image. So let me go and select some of the renditions. We have different renditions. We can select it and delete renditions from here. Thank you.